Tools: masking tape, caulk gun, caulk finishing tool. Surface preparation. The surface must be clean, dry and free of contaminants such as dirt, dust, rust, loose material, oils, chemicals, etc. Protect the surrounding surface with masking tape to ensure a clean and professional application. Application. Hold caulk gun at 45 degrees angle and pull gun towards you. If needed, use a foam backer rod to lessen the depth of the gap. Use caulk finishing tool, or wet finger with soapy water, to push sealant further into the gap. Remove tape before sealant dries. Paintable after sealant has fully cured. Keep sealant application protected from water exposure until fully cured. Not intended for areas with constant or permanent water exposure.
ABC, sigurado ka dito?